Hello and welcome to today's NetBeez live demo. Today we're talking about the SMTP integration of NetBeez. First, a quick introduction about the SMTP protocol. SMTP, which stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, is the protocol to transmit email or electronic mails. By default, this protocol uses the TCP IP port 25, but of course there are other options. So why should you use the NetBeez SMTP integration? Well, first of all, it's a very convenient way to be notified about alerts or incidents detected by the NetBeez agents via email. So for instance, if you want to be alerted about problems with the network or applications, you can do so without staying in front of the dashboard by receiving email to your inbox. But also you can also integrate NetBeez with escalation policies by using third-party tools that can accept emails or process emails. So let's see how you can do that, configure this integration on your NetBeez dashboard. As you can see, I'm switching here on the NetBeez dashboard. And if you're a NetBeez administrator, you'll see on the top right that you have access to the NetBeez settings. Once you're there, you can click on the SMTP notification settings. And here you have to enable the SMTP alerts. You have to specify the SMTP server by FQDN or IP address, specify the SMTP server port. By default, could be 25, but of course, you have other options. In some cases, you might have to authenticate with the SMTP server, so specify username and password. You can set a from email. The SMTP authentication could be plain or it could be also a login. And you can also enable TLS. Once you have set those settings, you click Save SMTP Settings, and then you can also send a test email to make sure that your settings are actually correct and the integration is working. Second step is enable for what type of events you want to receive emails. So could be for incidents related to agent targets or Wi-Fi networks, or alerts triggered by targets or Wi-Fi networks, or device alerts. So for example, device under agents could cover the Wi-Fi disconnection alerts, could be the agent unreachable alert, while the alerts under targets are, for example, the alerts when a ping test fails, and so on. And of course, you can also specify the default emails that will receive the alerts or incident for that specific category. Then, of course, when you create a target, you can also specify and define the emails that will receive the alerts within that specific target. So just to show you, go to targets, I'm clicking the CNN target, click edit. And here you can see at the bottom, also here you have the option to configure emails that will receive alerts and incidents for that specific target. Otherwise, the one that you see here in the global settings will be receiving all alerts or incidents for all targets or agents. After that, you click Save Notification Settings. If you want to learn more about this integration, again, you can consult our online documentation by searching SMTP simply. You will see the documentation page that will explain you exactly what I described here in this video. With that, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I wish you a great day.